In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set pickup address in TikTok Shop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into seller-ph.tiktok.com. So the dash actually varies based on your location. Since I'm on the Philippines, I have the dash PH. Once you're on your seller TikTok shop seller center, what you can do next is to head over right here into this left sidebar. You should be able to see right here a lot of options, but for this case, we will need to choose logistics. Head over and click on logistics right here. Once you have clicked on logistics, head over and click on the warehouses right here. This is where we can actually input the pickup and return warehouses. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see right here all the pickup warehouses. As you can see, we have one. Here we can see that it's the Philippines pickup warehouse. You can see right here the address, and from in there you can head over and then just set the address right here by clicking on edit or add a new warehouse if you have one more available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.